Today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the collocation on the reading fill in the blanks. For some reason, you're unable to crack the PTE on the first attempt, then call us or WhatsApp us in the number given on the description below for a paid online coaching. Hello everyone, this is Sridhar from PTE Language Institute, your PTE success mentor. Let's get started. Let's see what do we have here. Fill in the blanks, drag and drop, set one collocation. Globalization has significantly dashed the way business operate. Companies now need to dash to international standards to remain competitive. Building strong relationships with customers has become the dash factor for success. Moreover, firms must constantly dash innovation to stay ahead. A well-structured marketing strategy can dash brand loyalty among consumers. So let us look at the collocation here. Globalization has significantly adopted the way business operate, foster the way business operate, transform the way business operate, adapt the way business operate, or crucial the way business operate. It should be transformed because it has changed the way business operate these days. So globalization has significantly transformed the way business operate these days. Companies now need to dash to international standards to remain competitive. They need to adapt to international standards because they everywhere in the world, in developing countries or developed countries, everybody is going cutting edge technology. So we have to improve ourselves. So companies now need to adapt to international standards to remain competitive. Building strong relationships with customers has become a dash factor for success. So it has become a crucial factor for success. Moreover, firms must constantly adopt innovation to stay ahead, because if you don't adopt the technology and the AI these days, you may go obsolete in the future. A well-structured marketing strategy can foster brand loyalty among consumers. So this is the way I need to do the collocation. Okay, let us look at the next collocation, which is time sequence. So at first, the scientists collected raw data from several regions. Initially, they analyzed the samples in a controlled environment. Subsequently, they compared the results with earlier studies. Afterward, they published their findings in a leading journal. Later, the research team received recognition from the global scientific community. Finally, they began working on advanced application of their discovery. So this is how you need to do the time sequence. Sometimes you'll be given the time sequence in the year itself. Sometimes they will say 18th century, 19th century, 20th century, and 21st century. So this is how you need to make sure you identify the time sequence. Let's move on to the next drag and drop fill in the blanks. Collocation and verb forms. The manager dash a plan to improve team performance. She dash a detailed presentation outlining the goals. The employees dash the plan enthusiastically. The company dash new software to track progress. As a result, productivity dash significantly. The manager designed a plan to improve the team performance should be the right collocation here. She then implemented a detailed presentation outlining the goals. So implemented should be the correct collocation. Then comes the employees dash the plan enthusiastically. So they welcomed the plan enthusiastically. The company then adopted a new software to track progress. As a result, productivity increased significantly. Okay, let us look at the next drag and drop fill in the blanks. Set 4, logical connectors. The project faced several challenges. Dash, the budget was reduced by 20%. Dash, the team had to work with limited resources. Dash, they managed to meet the deadline. Dash, the client appreciated their work. Dash, the project was considered a great success. The project faced several challenges. So the logical connector here should be initially the budget was reduced by 20%. Then comes, therefore, the team had to work with limited resources. Then interchangeably, you can use, nevertheless, they managed to meet the deadline, or however, the client appreciated their effort. Despite this, the project was considered a great success. Okay, let's dive into the next drag and drop fill in the blanks. Business collocations. The company aims to dash customer satisfaction by improving product quality. Management will dash the new policies to enhance performance. Employees are encouraged to dash feedback regularly. This initiative will dash a positive work culture and dash productivity. The company aims to maintain customer satisfaction by improving the product quality. Management will implement new policies to enhance performance. Employees are encouraged to collect feedback regularly. This initiative will foster a positive work culture and boost productivity. So this is the business collocation fill in the blanks. Before I move on to drag and drop fill in the blanks, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you, which is going to benefit you. All right, so let's move on to the next drag and drop fill in the blanks. Researchers must dash evidence before drawing conclusion. It's essential to dash accurate data and dash reliable sources. Students are trained to dash critical thinking and dash analytical skills in their studies. Researchers must evaluate evidence before drawing conclusion is the best collocation for the first fill in the blanks. It's essential to collect accurate data is the right collocation, and use reliable sources could be also the right collocation here. Students are trained to develop critical thinking and gather analytical skills in their studies. So this is academic collocation. You may expect such collocation in the fill in the blanks drag and drop in your PTE academic tests. Next is education collocation. Teachers must dash attention to students' individual needs. Schools should dash opportunities for practical learning. Parents are urged to dash active participation in school events. These efforts can dash students' confidence and dash lifelong learning habits. Teachers must pay attention to students' individual needs is the correct collocation. Schools should provide opportunities for practical learning is the right collocation. Parents are urged to promote active participation in school events. These efforts can encourage students' confidence and build lifelong learning habits. So let's dive into the next collocation. Next is environment collocation. Climate change continues to dash serious challenges worldwide. Governments must dash strict environmental laws. Citizens should dash responsibility for reducing the waste. We need to dash awareness about sustainable practices to dash global warming. Climate change continues to face serious challenges worldwide is the right collocation. Governments must implement strict environmental laws is the correct collocation. Citizens should take responsibility for reducing the waste is the right collocation. We need to raise awareness about sustainable practices to combat global warming is the correct collocation here. Okay, let's dive into the next collocation fill in the blanks, work and career collocation. Employees who dash initiative often dash rapid career growth. It's important to dash professional relationships and dash a strong network. Regular training can help dash new skills for advancement. So here employees who dash. So relevantly, if you saw that the collocation which makes meaning will fit in the bill here. Employees who show initiative often achieve rapid career growth. It's important to dash professional relationship, maintain professional relationships, and develop a strong network. Regular training can help build new skills for advancement. So here you need to look for a relevant collocation in the fill in the blanks. Otherwise, it is difficult to get any collocation here. Okay, let us dive into the final collocation, which is the technology collocations. The company plans to dash cutting edge software. Developers must dash high security standards. Engineers will dash a new prototype to dash efficiency and dash system reliability. Okay, launch, meet, test, improve, and enhance. The company plans to test cutting edge software is the right collocation. Developers must meet high standards, security standards is the right collocation. Engineers will Launch a new prototype is the right collocation. To enhance efficiency is the right collocation. And to improve system reliability is the right collocation. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is Sridhar signing off from PTE Language Institute. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.